garage doors that open and close. Outstanding. This changes our world here. I probably shouldn't sit here and push the buttons all day, but having garage doors with garage door openers on them, oh my gosh, is amazing. So the two things that we have secured it against are the starlings that have historically apparently nested in here. And the other thing is the neighbor's cat. And last night, after we shut the door for the first time, we were laying in bed and we hear this real thump. As a cat that has had the run of the garage at night comes running up the driveway and apparently ran smack into the door. You can't make this stuff up. But anyway, that happened.